This is our local control panel for the turbine. At the top, we have a speed indicator. Again, just an indication of our RPM for the unit. Underneath that, we have a turbine ready light. When the turbine is ready to start, this light will be green. Underneath this, we have 3 control switches and an emergency stop. Emergency stop, normal emergency stop. Push in to trip. Now, to pull it back out, I will need this key. If this key is not available, this emergency stop cannot be pulled back out. Above the emergency stop, we have our speed adjustment, raise or decrease, increase. We have our turbine stop, start. And again, these switches to operate, the main control panel needs to be in skid control. If the system is not in skid control, these switches do nothing. Last switch is our trip test, trip simulation switch. So if we take this to 1, this is the ST900 overspeed. This is where the system will raise speed until the second overspeed, which is located inside this panel, detects an overspeed event and trips. And again, the difference is I have to hold it here. On the main control panel, I only had to engage it, start it. So once I let go, the test stops. Hold, test starts, let go, test stops. Now, trip simulation interrupts the trip valve control. So by going to trip simulation, this will cause the trip valve to close, then open. This is just a one-shot. Holding it will not hold it closed. Letting go will not do anything. So you initiate, it does the test. When you're doing the test, the trip valve will close. When the trip valve closes, you can see the stem on the trip valve go in and then come back out. Again, local control panel. The most important functionality of the local control panel, as described, was the trip simulation. End of local control panel. All right.